Let's see. Are you looking to make money online? Are you wishing you could quit your job and be free, really free? Are you looking for something real to help you take action today to start your journey to freedom? If you answered yes to this, then be sure and watch this video. This channel is to help people like you really get free. In this video, we will delve into a revolutionary approach to generating income online through a cutting-edge method that revolves around utilizing trade signals. This innovative technique offers a fresh perspective on making money without the need for traditional trading practices. By following this new method, individuals can explore a lucrative avenue to earn income online without engaging in direct trading activities. The tone of this discussion aims to be both engaging and informative, providing viewers with valuable insights into this novel approach. By emphasizing the simplicity and accessibility of this method, we aim to capture the interest of our audience and showcase the potential for anyone to participate in this exciting opportunity. This new way of making money online through trade signals opens up a world of possibilities for individuals looking to diversify their income streams and explore alternative avenues for financial growth. Through this video, we hope to shed light on the potential benefits and opportunities that this method presents, offering a fresh perspective on how individuals can leverage technology and market insights to generate income in a dynamic and evolving digital landscape. Join us as we explore this innovative approach to online income generation and discover how you can tap into this new method to unlock your earning potential and embark on a journey towards financial empowerment and success. In this segment, we will delve into the strategy of generating income online by offering trade signals without the need for active trading. Trade signals play a crucial role in the financial market, serving as indicators that help traders make informed decisions about buying or selling assets. By understanding how trade signals work and their significance in the market, individuals can leverage this knowledge to provide valuable insights to a paid membership group seeking guidance on their trading activities. The potential for earning money through offering trade signals to a paid membership group is substantial, as members are willing to pay for access to expert analysis and recommendations that can enhance their trading outcomes. By emphasizing the value of trade signals and the benefits they offer to traders, individuals can position themselves as trusted sources of information within the online trading community. Furthermore, the role of a third party in managing trade signals for the group adds an additional layer of credibility and reliability to the service, ensuring that members receive accurate and timely recommendations to support their trading decisions. By entrusting the management of trade signals to a reputable third party, individuals can focus on delivering high-quality insights and analysis to their paid membership group, thereby enhancing the overall value proposition of the service. Through this strategic approach to making money online by providing trade signals without actively trading, individuals can tap into a lucrative market opportunity and establish themselves as key players in the online trading community. Join us as we explore the intricacies of this strategy and uncover the potential for financial growth and success through offering trade signals to a paid membership group. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the steps of setting up a trade signal group using popular platforms such as school.com or Telegram. The first crucial step in this process is creating a paid membership group for trade signals where individuals can access valuable insights and recommendations for their trading activities. By demonstrating the process of setting up a paid membership group, individuals can establish a structured platform for sharing trade signals and engaging with members seeking expert guidance in their trading endeavors. It is essential to emphasize the importance of focusing on attracting members to the group while outsourcing the management of trade signals to a third-party service provider. By leveraging external expertise in signal management, individuals can streamline their operations and ensure that members receive accurate and timely recommendations to support their trading decisions. Additionally, exploring alternative platforms like PayHip for setting up payment structures can offer flexibility and convenience in managing membership fees and subscription payments. PayHip provides a user-friendly interface for creating payment plans and managing transactions, making it an ideal solution for individuals looking to establish a seamless payment process for their trade signal group. By incorporating PayHip into the setup process, individuals can simplify the financial aspect of running a trade signal group and focus on delivering high-quality insights and analysis to their members. Through this guide, we aim to provide a comprehensive overview of the steps involved in setting up a trade signal group using platforms like school.com or Telegram, highlighting the key considerations and strategies for success in this venture. Join us as we explore the intricacies of creating a trade signal group and discover how you can leverage these platforms to establish a thriving community of traders seeking expert guidance and support in their trading journey. In this segment, we will delve into the significance of creating engaging content and promoting a trade signal group to attract and retain members. One effective strategy for outsourcing content creation is to explore platforms like Fiverr, where individuals can find skilled professionals to produce engaging content such as YouTube shorts that can captivate audiences and drive interest in the trade signal group. By showcasing how to leverage content effectively, individuals can harness the power of compelling visuals and messaging to drive traffic to the trade signal group, ultimately expanding its reach and attracting a wider audience of potential members. It is essential to highlight the importance of including group links in content descriptions to encourage user engagement and facilitate seamless access to the trade signal group. By incorporating direct links to the group in content descriptions, individuals can make it easier for viewers to join the community and access valuable trade signals and insights shared within the group. This simple yet impactful strategy can enhance user experience and encourage active participation within the trade signal group, fostering a sense of community and collaboration among members. Through this discussion, we aim to underscore the critical role that engaging content plays in promoting a trade signal group and driving growth and engagement within the community. By leveraging platforms like Fiverr for content creation, individuals can access a wealth of creative talent to produce compelling visuals and messaging that resonate with their target audience. Join us as we explore the best practices for creating and promoting engaging content for a trade signal group and discover how you can leverage these strategies to attract and retain members, drive traffic to the group, and foster a vibrant and active community of traders seeking expert insights and guidance in their trading endeavors. In conclusion, we have covered essential aspects of starting a trade signal group, emphasizing the process of creating a paid membership platform and outsourcing signal management to optimize efficiency and accuracy. By recapping the steps involved in setting up a trade signal group and leveraging third-party services for signal management, individuals can establish a structured and reliable platform for sharing valuable insights and recommendations with members seeking expert guidance in their trading activities. We encourage viewers to explore the innovative methods presented in this video for making money online through trade signals, offering a fresh perspective on generating income without the need for direct trading involvement. By tapping into these strategies, individuals can unlock new opportunities for financial growth and success in the dynamic digital landscape of online trading. We urge viewers to take action and implement the insights shared in this video to embark on their journey towards financial empowerment and prosperity. To stay updated on future content and receive more insightful tips and strategies, we invite viewers to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from the valuable information presented. Your support and engagement are crucial in helping us continue to provide high-quality content and empower individuals to achieve their financial goals through innovative approaches to making money online. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you take the next steps towards realizing your potential in the world of online trading and income generation. But you are probably asking how. Is there a step-by-step guide that will help me do this? The answer is yes. If you're like me, dreaming of making a living doing what you love on YouTube, this course is your ticket to success. It's packed with insider tips, strategies, and practical advice to help you grow your channel, engage your audience, and monetize your content effectively. Click the link below in the description to get started on your new journey today. If you found this valuable and want more information and help like this, please subscribe and like this video. I have loads of videos coming that you do not want to miss. I want to bless you on your journey to financial freedom. I love you and I'm rooting for you. Thanks for watching. I want to see you build your spend power through wealth ideas. Remember, this is your time. Today is your day to start. Take action.